Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Back up any unsaved work and remember recent app installs or updates that might conflict. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, enable Show System Apps, and find System UI. Tap Force Stop to halt the process immediately, then clear cache to remove temporary files that often cause freezes. Once done, do not clear System UI data yet. That erases settings. This first action quickly unblocks the UI, so you can test whether the issue persists before deeper fix. Reboot the device and observe the System UI for at least a full minute to see if the freeze returns. A simple restart often resolves transient faults. If problems continue, reboot into safe mode to run the system with third-party apps disabled. This isolates whether an app is triggering the error. While in safe mode, uninstall any apps or recent updates you suspect. Make sure to test after each removal so you can identify the specific app responsible before returning to normal mode. If safe mode didn't help, reset app preferences or network and system settings first, since this preserves personal data while undoing problematic defaults. If the issue persists, back up everything and perform a factory reset via Settings right arrow System right arrow reset, because that clears deep configuration corruption causing System UI crashes. After restoring, make sure to update the OS and apps. If System UI is still unresponsive, update the device firmware or contact the OEM. As a troubleshooting tip, keep safe mode testing between steps to confirm which action fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.